Hello guys, welcome to StarFF Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to optimize your PC for gaming. Let's get started. Dream more, get more technology. Right click on your start bar and click on settings. After you click on that settings, you will open power and sleep, but now I will show you. Go to tablet mode and always ask me before switching. After you that, go to power and sleep and click on additional power settings. After it, you will see many things, but first you have to click on high performance and I will show you how to get ultimate performance. First, click on Ctrl plus R and in run click on CMD, and then I will give you a link in description where you can copy this text. After it, just click on enter. After you click on enter, it will show you ultimate power performance. So that's it guys, just click on ultimate performance and change power plan and do it what I am doing now. So click on processor power management, maximum process state 100 settings and minimum also 100%. Okay guys, now I will show you how to change some other things. So let's see what are others we gonna see. So just you have to click on wireless adapter settings, click on power saving mode and settings, click on maximum performance. After you click on maximum performance, that's it guys, click on apply and ok, and now click on remote desktop and set it to off, don't keep it on guys. And now click on apps. In apps you have to click on offline maps and delete all things, delete all maps, you have to click it on and delete all. After you click on this, you will see a verification tick on that. So click on off in map updates and method connections. After that click on gaming, which is very important. You can on the game bar or can off it. I will on it. So but you have to on the game mode because it improves your FPS performance. After it, click on graphics settings. In graphics settings, click browse and change whatever you want. And I'm gonna choose one game and click on options and click on high performance. It will give you more FPS. Trust me guys, it will give you more FPS. So now you have to head on to update and security. So it's very important and you have to click on check for updates. I have already checked it, but I will do it for you. So click on it and you can see checking for updates, and if you are not updated to a latest version, it will take some time to install it. After it takes some time, just wait for it or do some other works. So already it is in updated version, so I'm not going to install. So it says it's update completed. So now right click on the start bar and you have to see whatever you have to change it. So just click on run guys. After you click on run, click on temp and hit ok. So these are unwanted files that are stayed in a computer. So please click on control plus a and delete. It will give you much more spaces and it will also increase your gaming performance. So now click on temp percentage, which is very important because there are many temp percentage are available and it will give you even GBs of space. So it takes some time as I am not also cleaning it. So wait for it because there are more unwanted items are available on your computer. So make sure to empty your recycle bin because after you delete also it is present in your recycle bin. So make sure to empty it and it will give you a tons of space or even gigabytes of space. So I have already cleaned it, so I am showing now. And just keep on what files it does not work. So just wait for it. So now you have to go to this PC and disk cleanup because it's very important. Click on local disk and properties and head on to disk cleanup, because it will give you enormous space and it will optimize your gaming performance also. Clean that one and click on whatever you want. I am going to tick all the things except downloads. Click on clean up system files, because it's a very important one in this procedure. Click on clean up system files and it will start removing. So make sure to remove all the files in the disk cleanup. So it takes some time. Wait for it or do some other works. And now click on OK or whatever you want. Delete all the files. So wait for it and click on delete permanently files and click on delete files. It will delete your unwanted files. These are the some tips of optimizing your PC for gaming. Lot more are coming soon. Make sure to subscribe our channel, smash the like and share to your friends. Now let's head down to properties of this PC, because it will give you a much more important performance for your gaming. After you click on that, click on advanced, click on visual effects, click on adjust for best performance, and you can tick that is show thumbnail instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Click on apply and then click on OK. And these are some of the much more interesting tips that are optimize your PC for much more gaming. You can do something other also. So please make sure to subscribe our channel for many more updates. More tech videos are coming soon. So after you get this, please don't forget to recycle your bin, because it's also an important procedure that I missed in the video. Make sure to do that. Like if you like the video, share to your friends and subscribe our channel Star5Tech and click that bell icon so that you can get many notifications. More tech videos are coming soon. Dream more, get more technology.